Hey everybody, it's the day after Christmas 2025, so I finally got this like completed, weather, decaled, everything, so I wanted to do a little video on it. Brigadier Fox, this one's for you. This kit is the Trimaster 148 D12 FW190 kit. This is from the 80s, like the kit is from the 80s, so this thing's been sitting in a box for over 40 years waiting for me to excuse me, waiting for me or someone to build it. So she's finally built and ready to go to the display case. But some of the D12 decals weren't in the best shape. The decals are kind of rough. They looks like they've been kinked and folded over and in one spot, and that hurt some of the D9, the D12 decals. So I ended up doing a D13 livery and the D13 decals, but this is very much a D12 kit. Really, the only differences between the variants in real life were the gun armament. So the D13 was the least armed. It just had two of these 20mm cannons in the wing roots. The D12 had an additional cannon in the nose, a 30mm. And then the D9 had cannons and machine guns, I believe. Cannons in the wing roots and then machine guns in the nose. But yeah, that's really the only difference between the Dora models is the armament. Yellow 13 technically would have just had the D13 armament with guns in the wing roots, but we can pretend it's got a 30mm up front since I did say I was going to build the D12. But yeah, the D13 decals were almost in perfect shape, so I made yellow 10. Sorry, we'll get that hair out of here. But yeah, I made yellow 10. If you play War Thunder on the German tree at all, you'll recognize this plane. It's one of the premium planes, but it's my favorite plane. It's like the one plane I've bought premium vehicle wise, and it's my favorite. It's mostly what I fly. But I also fly the D12 and the D9 and a couple other Focke-Wulf variants, but I'm a Focke-Wulf guy if you can't tell. Big time Focke-Wulf guy. I got hundreds of hours on this plane alone. Oh man, I just broke the pitot tube. Oh well. I was grabbing, looking through the camera, not paying attention, but I'll glue that back on. That's no biggie. But you can see some of the details on the bottom, antennas and step ladder and all the good stuff. But yeah, I know these wheel bays are not technically correct, but as you can see, I left this sliding, fell off there. Yeah, I left this as a sliding mechanism, so you could put it in a different position or what have you. But yeah, I'm pretty stoked how it turned out. It's got that mean Focke-Wulf look to it for sure. It fits the bill. But yeah, the kit was pretty fun to put together. I am a big fan of the Trimaster kits. I know the fit and finish isn't great compared to today, but they were state of the art back in the day, and I still love putting them together. Obviously, you get a really good end result with those kits. It just takes a little bit of finesse and patience. But yeah, I'm a big sucker for these Trimaster kits, so I'm gonna keep building them. I got some more to be built. I got this one 32nd scale Revell UH-1D Huey gunship that I'm building. So that's next on the burner. And then once I get that Huey done, I'm gonna turn one of these Hasegawa F-4 BF109s into like a Christmas ornament plane. So it'll have like a red, white, and green Santa livery on it, and I'll make a little Santa figure to sit in it. I'll probably put some of the markings on it too, and that'll be like the Christmas tree plane, I guess you could say. But yeah, this is my 7th plane I built. I think it's time to step up to an air gun and some dedicated RLM colors and military colors and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm really happy with how it turned out. Pretty sick plane, looks pretty good. It'll look sick with the other planes. But yeah, sorry for using so many damn filler words. It's at the crack of dawn, day after Christmas, and I put myself into a food coma, so that's the state of my brain this morning. But yeah, I hope you enjoy the D13 Brigadier Fox, or D12/D13 Brigadier Fox. This one's for you. I know we're War Thunder nerds, so I figured you'd appreciate this one. Oh yeah, it's got the sticker, the Actung sticker. Excuse me. Let me get that to focus in. There we go. But yeah, the glass isn't in perfect shape either, but it's just things I can improve on in the builds in the future. But yeah, hope you appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope everybody had a good 2025 and a good Christmas. 2025 was a pretty wild year, I think, in general. But hopefully 2026 has some good things in store for everybody, myself included. I think it's going to be a pretty cool year. So, peace.